Hello friends, myself Salmin Nain and welcome to my YouTube channel Love for Nature. Today's topic is how to make orange peel fertilizer. So the viewers who want to see this video in Hindi, they can go and visit description box, link is given. After eating orange, we often throw these peels. So in this video, I will share how to make orange peel fertilizer by using these peels. So first, what we have to do is we have to cut this orange peel into small sizes as per your choice. As I have done, you can see you have to cut this peel into small sizes. And now next you have to take airtight container or jar. So you have to add 1 liter of water inside jar, and next you have to put the peels inside it as I have done. So after putting these peels inside, you have to keep this jar in full shady area for 2 days, and after 2 days this is the result what you will get. You can see the water of the color have been changed. It has been become orange. Now let's separate it. You can see I have separated it. Now I will show how to use it in. The important thing is please never add this fertilizer directly to your plant. First we have to mix this fertilizer with water. So I will show. This is approx 5 liter of water and this fertilizer is 1 liter. So we have to mix it well. So first I will mix it well. So you can see I have mixed it properly, and now I will show how to add in plant. This is my coleus plant and I am adding this fertilizer to my plant. As per the size of the plant, you have to add this fertilizer. If your plant is small, then add a small quantity, and if your plant is large, then you have to add in large quantity. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more video related with plants, and thank you so much for watching my video.